Hey everyone! Imagine waking up tomorrow to a world without trees. The sheer thought is terrifying, right? Trees are the silent guardians of our planet, and their disappearance would spell disaster in so many ways. First off, there's climate change. Trees are our best allies against global warming because they absorb carbon dioxide. Without them, CO2 levels would skyrocket, intensifying the greenhouse effect. We'd see more heat waves, droughts, and intense storms. Our climate would spiral out of control. Next, let's talk about the water cycle. Trees act like giant sponges, absorbing and releasing water. Without them, regions that were once lush and green could turn into deserts. Rainfall patterns would shift dramatically. Some places would face extreme droughts, while others would be flooded. Our rivers and streams, they'd suffer too, drying up and leaving us without crucial water resources. And then there's biodiversity. Trees are home to countless species, birds, insects, mammals. They all rely on forests for shelter and food. No trees mean no habitats. The result? A catastrophic loss of biodiversity. Entire ecosystems would collapse. Soil erosion is another huge issue. Trees keep their soil anchored with their roots. Without them, we'd see massive erosion and desertification. Fertile lands would turn barren, making farming a challenge. This would lead to food shortages and economic instability. What about the air we breathe? Trees produce oxygen through photosynthesis. Without them, oxygen levels would drop, making life harder for us. Plus, trees filter pollutants from the air. No trees mean poor air quality and more respiratory diseases. The economic impact can't be ignored either. Forests contribute to industries like timber, paper, and even tourism. Their loss would devastate these sectors, causing job losses and economic crises. Farmers would struggle too, as trees help maintain soil fertility. On a personal note, trees have a profound impact on our mental health. They provide spaces for recreation and relaxation. Without them, we'd lose natural sanctuaries that reduce stress and improve well-being. Urban areas would become hot, polluted, and lifeless, affecting our quality of life. And finally, the ripple effect on human life would be profound. Without trees, the services they provide, clean air, water, and food, would be scarce. This scarcity could lead to conflicts over resources. We'd be forced to find new, often unsustainable solutions to problems trees once helped us manage. In conclusion, a world without trees would be hostile and challenging. The ecological, climatic, and social disruptions would be immense. Preserving and restoring trees is not just important, it's essential for the survival of life on Earth. Let's cherish our trees and work towards a greener, more sustainable future. Thanks for watching.